Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book, and today it looks like we're doing number 160. So if we start with this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got the 3 here. So 4, 7, 4, 7. That means our 3 has to be here. For this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 5 here and a 6 here, so this is our 9. That 5 makes this our 6 and 5. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 and 8 here, so this is our 5, but I don't see any other help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 and 6 here, so this is our 3, a 6 here, so this is our 4 and our 6. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 3, and I don't see any help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got the 2 here and the 4 here. So this is our 5. A 2 here, so this is our 4 and our 2. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got the 5 covering these two boxes, so our 5 has to be here. We've got a 2 here, so this is our 1 and 2. For this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 7, and 8 here, so 4, 7. So our 8 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, and 7, and the 6 can't be here or here, so it's here. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 7. And no help here, so 2, 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got the 4 here, so 7, 8, and a 4 and 7 here. So this is our 8. That makes this our 7 and our 4. That 4 makes this our 7, 4, 7. And that 7 makes this our 2 and our 4. This 2 makes this our 3 and 2. For this column now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so this is our 8, 9. That 8 makes this our 7, 8. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. To finish out this box, we're missing a 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got a 1 and 8 here, so this is our 3, and 8 here, so 1, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. And to finish out this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 and 6 here, so this is our 1, 6 here, so this is our 4 and our 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.